Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will learn about the span and the div element in HTML. For this video, I will be using Visual Studio Code. What is a div element in HTML? A div element in HTML, short for division, is a block-level container. It's typically used to group and style larger sections of content on a web page. It is kind of like the body element, but on a smaller scale. Okay, what about the span element? What is a span element in HTML? The span element in HTML is an inline element. It is used to manipulate smaller portions of text within a larger context. But before we dive in, we need to know what a block level and an inline element is. A block level element takes up as much space as possible. They start at the leftmost side of our website and end at the rightmost side. An inline level element takes up as much space as it needs. It is used to modify a small piece of text in a larger text. To write a div element, just write the open and close tags, and we are done. We can write our code inside the div element. With the div element, we can put multiple elements inside of it and modify them all using the single vid function. Like I said, it is like the body element. Now, to write a span element, first write the text element you want to modify. Inside the element, surround a piece of text you want to modify with the span open and close tags. And that's it. We can modify it, and only the text inside the span element will be affected. Just make sure not to write the span element before your main text element, otherwise the code may not work. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.